Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. My brothers and I recently bought my mom a new laptop. We bought her the HP 255 G8 notebook. We paid $439 for the 16 gigabyte RAM, 1 terabyte solid state drive. Additionally, we bought her the Microsoft 365 Family 3 months free with a 12-month subscription for $69.99. Additionally, I bought her an insurance package just in case something went wrong. You can see the details on those receipts if you want to stop the video and look a little bit closer. I went ahead and set the computer up for her, except for the part where I asked for her Microsoft account, because I wanted to let her do that. Because we ordered it in November for a December gift, we wanted to make sure that it was operative. Some details about the machine. It's HP 255 G8. The screen size is 15.6. We got the black. The hard disk is 1 terabyte. The CPU is Athlon, and the RAM memory is 16 gigabytes. It uses Windows 11 Home and AMD graphics. Here's a screenshot with some more information if you want to stop and get even more details for the machine. We were looking for a basic machine that would serve my mom's social media and limited capacity of looking at documents and pictures and whatnot like that. She doesn't really do like any gaming or any hardcore use of her laptop. The machine was very easy to set up. I didn't have any problems when I was setting it up. She's been using it now for 3 months. We've reported absolutely no problems with it. So I would say that it's well worth the money if you have a need for a reliable, low-cost laptop and you don't have a lot of laptop needs. Go for it. Charging cables. Product information. It's so petite. So the surface has a texture design on it. It's gray. It's very thin, very lightweight. There are the ports. And there are the other ports. There's one. It's a nice touch to have the padding in there. It has a Velcro closure for the cable. This one just came with a wire. Put this part here. Plug the battery into that port, and we'll let it charge if it'll boot up. It has a pretty long cord. Most of them don't. It's quite nice. I didn't even stretch the cord all the way out, but it is a very nice, easily 8-foot long cord. One of the reasons I chose this one, after doing some research for what was in our price range, I wanted to get her a lot of storage. I wanted to get her the latest operating system. But the other one I was looking at had light gray letters on dark gray keys. Well, that's helpful for people that have excellent typing skills. You might as well just not have any letters on there at all. This was one I liked because it had the letters that were big, and they were white, and they're easy to see. I just tapped the power on button, which was here by accident, so it's booting up, which is my goal today, just to make sure that it's operable. The very first computer that we owned was an HP. It had a lot of hooey on it that we really didn't want. Unfortunately, my son was smart and he was able to take all that stuff off. And there we have it. Nice touchpad. Yes. No. And I'll have to stop videoing for this part. So here's a little weird glitch. I don't see a next button here, so you have to go over here to the scroll down button. Scroll down and it just takes you to next is all I see. We also bought Microsoft Office 365 for her. It's going to be sent to my email address, so we'll have to get that set up for her once we give it to her. We also bought the Accent Protection Plan. I'm just checking to make sure that we like it, it's the right size, and that everything is as we want it to be. Pleased so far. Looks like that speaker area. It's also textured on the dashboard part. And I'll let her open this when she opens her present. It does have a camera. It's taking a very long time to check for updates. so I'll probably fast forward through a lot of this for you. Okay, in real time it took about 4.5 minutes to do that part. So I'm going to stop videoing and name this computer. I gave it my mom's name in the year that we bought it. That's how I set mine up. Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. I'm going to create her account, so I'm going to start filming now. After a little more reading, I'm not going to set her up a Microsoft account because I'm not sure she has one already. And I think that she can also use her Gmail account to log in for all of this. And it tells you right here to go to Settings, Accounts, Your Info, and select the sign in with a local account. So she may prefer to do that. So I'll leave that option up to her. Okay, I think I'm done setting up for her. This is the volume. And then this is accessibility.
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically. Press the spacebar to select the highlighted option. Narrator. Hear text on screen aloud. Magnifier. Make items on the screen larger. On-screen keyboard. Type without the keyboard. High contrast. See more contrast in colors. Sticky keys. Press keyboard shortcuts one key at a time. Filter keys. If I press keys repeatedly, ignore extra presses. Narrator. Hear text on screen aloud.
Oh, that's
Magnifier.
Pretty cool.
Make items on the screen larger.
So now I need to figure out how to cut it off because I think I'm done. So if I go to the back button, pasting back to that screen. don't see a bottom bar. How to cut anything off or on. So I just hit escape. Don't know how to cut it out, cut it on. Can't get out of this. I guess I'll just cut it off this way. Because I gotta put it up and wrap it. So there we go. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.